This is my quick and dirty version of Italian wedding soup. I've been thinking a lot about my grandmother, and she, during the holiday season, would make a version of Italian wedding soup. So I thought I'd do a quick version of it today. It's not the original version by any stretch, but it gets you a quick meal on the table fast. So here we go. Pull my hair up. We always pull our hair up in the kitchen. I'm gonna wash my hands. Start with some house-made Prima Strada sausage. We're gonna cut these links up really quick. Just a reminder that when you get the links from Prima Strada, they're frozen, and these I've defrosted already. I'm just gonna pull them out of the casing. Oh, it smells really good. You can smell the fennel. I'm gonna make little balls out of them. Little tiny meatballs. Traditionally, Italian wedding soup has meatballs in it, and the meatballs can be made with ground beef or ground pork, a combination of one or the other. The wedding soup that I grew up with had little tiny meatballs, as well as some pieces of chicken, and then spinach and egg. And this is just, not that meatballs takes a long time, but I really love our Italian sausage, and this is quicker than making meatballs. Okay, so we're gonna pop the meatballs into the pan. I slicked the pan with just a little bit of oil. While the meatballs, sausage balls, are browning, I'm gonna take my chicken stock and warm it up. Any chicken stock that you have handy will work. As a matter of fact, I considered when I went into the freezer to pull these out, using turkey stock. So if you end up making turkey stock from your leftover holiday turkey, feel free to use that as well. I'm just gonna put the lid on this and have this finish melting up. You wanna turn the meatballs so that you have them browned on all sides. This should happen pretty quickly. What we're gonna do is take them directly from the pan once they're done and put them directly into the broth. Okay, I'm feeling good about those guys. I'm gonna grate enough cheese to add some to the egg mixture and then some as a garnish. And maybe some on the bread, because really, you never have enough parm. So I'm gonna put that aside and grab another bowl and do super quick. I'm gonna take one egg. I'm gonna grab a fork. I'm gonna do a quick recap here. I used about 8 cups of chicken stock, 3 links of Italian sausage, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and mix that in with the egg. I'm gonna do a little spinach prep here. Spinach prep. I'm opening the container. We're gonna need some bread to mop up that soup. Hold on. Bread. Butter. I have dogs that are very willing and able to help with anything that we have going on right now. So now we're gonna finish the soup. So we've got some bubbles going on, and we're gonna throw in the fresh spinach. Give it a bit of a stir to wilt the spinach. There's lots of green possibilities for this. Kale would be a great one. Chard would be another really good one. When I did a little bit of research on the Italian wedding soup history, what I found was that it's called zuppa matriciana, which means wedding soup or married soup, but really I think what they're talking about is the marriage of the meat and the vegetables together. And it's moving really good. I'm just waiting for the soup to come back up to heat a little bit more, and I'm gonna stir in the egg and cook the egg in the soup. And I'm just gonna drizzle this in. That's it. that's one person. Give my soup. For me to actually take a bite is going to be tough because it's hot. So good. I think I like this better than the meatballs.